How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. This is Meeks Motorsports. Today we are continuing on the CRF250 finally. Now, I went ahead and already got a little bit of a head start with putting the new crank together. This is the Wiseco rebuild kit. I just started tightening down the inner bolts. Still got something to do and figured I might as well document some of this real quick. So we got the Wiseco kit, all new gaskets. Here's the box for it, bearings, head gasket, cylinder gasket, all that fun stuff. So all I'm doing today is I'm gonna tighten down these. Like, see, I gotta fix this gasket. I gotta double check this gasket right here. Check everything but these gaskets, put them all back together, and we're gonna continue to get this thing going. Hopefully I can get this thing running sometime this week, would be nice. So gonna keep doing some working on it. Stay tuned. All right, just a quick fast forward. Got all the, I'm sorry. Quick fast forward. I got all the gears on, the counter shaft, the clutch, the kicker, the idler, all the transmission shift stuff. Let's see here, the screen, the flywheel, cam chain, most importantly, new crank and all that good stuff. I'm kind of not doing as much filming as I'd like to, just because I'm trying to focus on what I have to get done, and I don't want to skip any steps. Make sure I'm torquing everything down and not skipping any washers. I had this whole thing full of parts at one time. So I'm just making sure I'm cleaning up behind myself with the washers and stuff. Like, this is the old cam chain. This is for the kickstart. So we're just going step by step, trying to go slow. Just got the torque wrench out for people who say I wasn't torquing anything. So got the side covers. Probably gonna wait until it's getting late in the day. I've been out here for a while putting this together, making sure everything's in order. Do the side covers. Probably gonna start putting this thing back together tomorrow, back in the bike. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. Then we're gonna start working on taking the cylinder and the head apart. We got all new gaskets from Wiseco in the Wiseco kit. They're over here. All new gasket, cylinder gasket, base gasket, exhaust gasket. Put the side covers on, put the camshaft in. So that's the next step. And like I said, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, which is gonna be right now for you guys, but that'll be it for today. All right, guys, so a big time jump forward. My GoPro was having issues with filming, so I just went ahead and put the whole bike together off camera. I do apologize, but between putting this together and trying to deal with my GoPro, it was not really working. So I ended up putting this whole thing back together, putting in the frame, putting the chain back on, all the plastics, fuel. So it does starts up second kick like it should, and it runs pretty good. I've ridden it on the street a little bit and ridden it on the trails. Just a little bit behind the backyard. Give you a quick glimpse, hopefully. Choke is on. Turn the gas on. Just probably a twist or two of the throttle. We can gas. It's not warm yet, but you get the point. It does run. It is complete. The customer is going to come pick it up sometime next weekend, and we will get started on whatever other project we can find. So sorry, this is kind of a short video. Like I said, I was having camera issues and I didn't want to deal with it while putting this together. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for checking out Meeks Motorsports, and we'll see you on the next one.